Hey everyone, it's Christy from mmmmm. With Christmas just around the corner, Amanda and I want to take this opportunity to get you a little photo ready. I'm sure that you've all seen this screen, or at least some version of it. Ultimately, we would want you to have enough storage to house all of your photos. If that's not possible, then you should be downloading your camera roll regularly. If that's not possible, or just seems super overwhelming, then let's start with baby steps, something that you can do right now to make a huge difference. Get to know your delete button. That's right, people. Don't be afraid of it. Start deleting unwanted photos as soon as you take them. That way, they don't end up being forgotten on your camera and just taking up space. Another small but effective step would be to take a small chunk of time each week, like 20 minutes, 10, or even 5, whatever you can fit in, and just go through your camera roll and delete the unwanted photos. Some of those photos would be fuzzy ones, photos of clothing or products, food pics. Now, if you're a chef, go ahead and keep those food pics, that's fine. And of course, the duplicates or pictures that are extremely similar to each other. Ask yourself, do you really need 1,000 photos of that trip or event? Pick the best and keep them. These steps you can take before Christmas, so you won't miss any of the precious moments. So, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and we'll see you next year. And as always, you can find us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and memorymommentum.ca.